Breast cancer is alarming, but we can't prevent it as far as possible by making simple changes in our lifestyle. We have to make changes in our diet and approach towards life. In recent times, the risk of breast cancer has greatly increased due to factors like genetic hormones, lifestyle, and environment. Therefore, if we want to avoid breast cancer, we must be aware of the indications that our body gives us, our body language. We should see our hereditary medical history and be extremely alert about our dietary consumption. So, let's discuss some effective tips to prevent breast cancer. First one, choose cosmetics wisely. We are not even aware that the cosmetics which we are using can cause cancer. Avoid deodorants or antiperspirant liquids that are in aluminum can, especially women who shave their underarm. Also, avoid sunscreen containing estrogen, paraben, and phthalates. These chemicals are extremely dangerous and definitely increases the risk of cancer. As far as possible, use natural organic products which are free from all these things. Second, cook in earthenware. Heating or cooking foods in plastic containers, especially made from polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, or styrofoam, can lead to detrimental effect over time as the toxins are discharged into food. Avoid preparing food in a non-stick Teflon pan. Instead, cook in earthenware and heat food in glass and ceramic cutlery. Or the old age method of cooking food in kadai iron vessels. They are the best. Third, breastfeed your child. Breastfeed can lower the risk of pre and post-menopausal cancer. During lactation, hormonal changes occur in the body and they delay the menstruation. This may slow the production of estrogen hormone. High level of estrogen hormone can promote the growth of breast cancer cell. It is advisable to breastfeed your child at least for 6 months for child's growth as well as your health. Fourth, maintain a healthy weight. An increase in weight is often linked with the increase in the growth of breast cancer. So, the most simple solution is to keep a check on your weight. Avoid processed or junk food. Instead, follow a sattvic diet. Sattvic diet is nutritious, tasty, and easily digestible. Always eat in moderation. Eat at regular intervals. And this will help you not to overeat at one time. Have fluids such as water, buttermilk, lemon juice, fruit juices. Such things will keep you full and prevent you from overeating. Avoid fatty food which contains saturated and trans fat. Choose healthy snacks and meal options like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, pulses and legumes and nuts, and even dairy products. Cook your meal in healthy oil such as olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame seed oil, and even rice bran oil. Fifth, be aware of your genetics. Women with significant family history of cancer, such ladies, they need extra care to see that they prevent cancer and basically breast cancer. If you have any family members who have had breast, ovarian, or prostate cancer, you may be at a high risk of breast cancer. Be alert and take necessary precautions beforehand. Sixth, stay active. Being physically active will lower the risk of getting breast cancer. Regular exercise can keep you healthy, stay fit, and keep your weight also in check. Go for a 30 minutes brisk walk every day. Practice asanas like Gomukhasan, Paschim Namaste, simple arm stretches, Yastikasana, Bhujangasana and Dhanurvakrasana. These asanas will help you to stretch and strengthen the chest muscles and also give internal massage to these organs. Seventh point, quit alcohol and smoking. You should know that alcohol is the major cause of varieties of problems. Excessive alcohol consumption is linked directly with breast cancer. So naturally avoid anything which is extremely harmful to your body. Also avoid tobacco in any form strictly and follow a no smoking rule. Breast cancer is an alarming condition, but don't be afraid or stressed about it. Maintain a pleasant and happy attitude all the time. A positive approach can help managing any problem and even prevent the problem. So, to prevent cancer, keep all these points in your mind, practice them systematically, and totally avoid getting into trouble. After all, life will go on. You live happily or with sickness or with pain depends upon how you live your life. So try and live your life positively. Problems will come and go. Cancers are also one of the sicknesses that will also come and go. You don't have to worry about it. Don't bring cancer in your mind. That is in your body. Body will handle it. And so keep a positive attitude. Be cheerful and happy all the time. Namaskar.